because you're asking,
but
you don't know what you're talking about. You're wrong. You're wrong. You have these shitty ass Jerry curls. You know what the fuck you're talking about. You're a retard. You look like a reject from the 1980s Richard Simmons version. I don't know what's going on here. And you're just spewing a whole bunch of bullshit. You're wrong. You're fucking wrong.
I have hair. It's fine. I guess women are the only ones that are stupid.
Like I'm totally cool with having a discourse, but when you're blatantly spewing out a bunch of bullshit, yapping, not knowing what the fuck you're talking about, it's ridiculous. It's an embarrassment. You go to school here. This is embarrassment to the institution.
So I think a simple discourse would be me asking you a yes or no question, you answering it with yes or no. That's a simple discourse. A simple discourse is, hey,
a civil infraction does not exist.
Yes, a civil infraction
doesn't
real.
Exist. What are you talking about?
I'm about to tell you. If you are in this country undocumented, you've only committed a civil infraction. If you came through the if you came through the border illegally, it's a federal crime. We treat those two differently. Could you agree with that?
No. You're wrong.
So everybody under ICE detention right now is have criminal backgrounds?
They're illegally here.
Do they have criminal backgrounds?
That's irrelevant. They committed a crime.
It's a crime.
That's
irrelevant.
If you
came here illegally, it's
That's
a crime.
irrelevant.
You just said it's a crime. If it's a crime, why is it not
They don't have to have a criminal history in America
you don't know what the fuck you're talking
for
about.
them to be illegal.
You're brain fucking dead. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Yeah, these progressives are crazy, bro.
If over 70%,
he doesn't understand that just by them being here illegally, that is a crime.
If over 70%,
there's no justification for them to be here. You're saying they could be here illegally and they got to commit a crime here.
If over 70% who have come or under detainment by ICE, if over 70% have no criminal record, how is that a crime? If ICE themselves are not acknowledging that this is a crime, how can you sit there and say it's a crime to be undocumented? It's a civil infraction. Is a civil infraction a crime?
I have never met
someone who
is so confident in being wrong. This is crazy.
Dude, you're the most confidently moronic person ever. I don't know what you're talking
about. There's no such thing as civil infraction, bro. Like, dude, what are you talking about?
You don't know that civil infractions exist? I cannot believe this.
Within immigration, no.
Do civil infractions exist?
Not within immigration.
Yes, they do.
Not within INA.
If you're undocumented, that's a civil violation.
All right, dude. All right, you're just so wrong. It's like I can't even have a conversation with you. You're basically saying like 2 plus 2 is 7. You're basically saying 2 plus 2 is 7.
You don't even know how many people detained under ICE have criminal records. You didn't even know that number.
Yo,
how can you not know that number?
You cannot.
How can you not know that number?
You cannot.
Do you know the number? Did you know the number?
To the United States illegally. You can't do that, okay?
Or the only one acknowledging
if you're here illegally,
you're the only one saying
you're going to get deported.
Hey, that's fine.
You can't be here. Yo, get this guy off the mic, bro. This nigga retarded.
Yeah, uncensored guys, but I'm going off.
You're just yapping. You're just yapping. You're saying a whole bunch of bullshit.
Facts and you can't answer
don't know what you're
simple questions.
Because you're fucking wrong about everything. It's painful.
For the sake of civility. So
get the next person on, guys. This is what the institutions are teaching people. Progressives that are deranged, talking about civil infractions. Incredible. For just to correct him because he doesn't know what he's talking about. I should have gave this in my background. I was a special agent with Homeland Security Investigations for 7 years prior to coming on here and talking about this, so I know the immigration pretty well. And what he's talking about doesn't exist. If you come to the United States illegally, you committed a crime. It's 8 U.S.C. 1325. Then if you come back in again after you're deported, 8 U.S.C. 1326. These are all crimes, and you can be deported for it. You don't have to commit a crime in the United States to justify being deported. This guy's a fucking dumbass. So if you don't have borders and you don't have immigration law, you don't have a country. This guy wants open borders, and you got to commit a crime in the United States for it to actually happen. He looks like a Mexican, so I assume why he has that position. But that's fine. Even worse, you're an embarrassment to all of us. Someone check this guy. He might have something on him. Who knows? If you hear Allahu Akbar, be careful. Who's up next? Go ahead. Anyway, I'm collecting Barbie dolls. Okay. Okay. Hi.
Hi, Myron. I'm Lucy, and I'm here to have a civil debate with you on your opinion on women.
On women?
Yes.
All right, sure. Oh, so look, all the girls here are backing her now. Who were all you women before?
I am here to support the ladies. There's not many that came up to talk to you.
Yeah.
I'd like to first ask you about, if you don't mind me interrogating this, what is your relationship with your mother?
Are we gonna have a debate on the facts, or are we gonna go ahead and get my origin story?
I'm just curious in general because she did play a big part in the reason why you're here today.
Yeah, so I mean, what's your argument that you want to make? Because I don't think that's really pertinent to having a discussion on male-female dynamics. I mean, my position when it comes to, because the other prompt we had was Valentine's Day is for simps.
It's okay.
Why is this fat woman talking on the side?
Myron, I'm not trying to attack you in any sort of way. And I'm not trying
You're 17 and you're already fat?
Okay, Myron.
Yo, being fat at 17 is crazy.
The debate.
That's wild. She's triggered.
I'm trying to talk to him.
I'll tell you this, they definitely put the fries in the bag for her.
Curious because your mom like, you believe that women play a lesser role in society, but if she didn't exist within society and put forth the effort into making you and having you and carrying you for 9 months, you wouldn't be here.
If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to create clips like these fast, try Opus Clips. It's smart, simple, and built for creators.